Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are facing Dragon Ball Legend error code CR901001, don't worry about it. In this video, I will give you some tips to fix this problem, so watch the video till the end. Before going to fix, let's first understand what the error code CR901001 signifies. Essentially, error code CR901001 arises when a player attempts to initiate the game on their mobile device. Upon logging into the game, an exception is thrown, presenting error indicating a communication error occurred. Despite the attempts by the nervous player to rectify the issue through methods such as restarting the game or reinstalling it, these approaches have some proven ineffective. Here is how you can address it. Check server status. Sometimes the server is the main cause of the error. Dragon Ball Legend indicate a communication error between the device and the game server. So firstly check the server status. If no issue found in the server, then follow the next. Check internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. This error often occurs due to the network issue, so make sure you are connected to a strong internet or related Wi-Fi network. You have a stable mobile data connection. Restart the Dragon Ball Legend app. Close the Dragon Ball Legend app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes a simply restart you can resolve temporary glitches and issue with the app connection of the game servers. Check for updates. Ensure that your Dragon Ball Legend app is up to date. Developer often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so keep your app updated. You can help resolve error codes like CR901001. Clear the cache and data. If you are using an Android device, you can try clearing cache and data for the Dragon Ball Legend game. Sometimes corrupted cache files can cause the issue with the game. If none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling and reinstall the Dragon Ball Legend app. This will give you a fresh start and may resolve any underlying issues caused the CR901001 error. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.